As summer comes to an end, the weather gets cooler. A brown mushroom stretches toward the blue sky. I see the leaves turn to autumn colors. I feel the cool breeze. A green grasshopper takes a piggyback ride. The big one is a girl. The small one is a boy. Two hungry caterpillars enjoy eating a rue plant. I wonder what kinds of butterflies they will become. I see many carp swimming in the river. They look very hungry. They gather together and open their mouths for food. Four brown ducks enjoy the fresh fall air. Two of them go for a swim and quack happily. I ride my bicycle through the tall silver grass. I can ride so fast. A friendly green mantis sits on my hand. Oh no, it's crawling up my arm. I see a flock of white herons resting in the trees. There are so many. I can't count them all. A small nutria takes an evening swim in the river. A swallowtail butterfly flutters on the red spider lilies. The flower petals are long and delicate. Butterflies also enjoy the fields of cosmos flowers. I can see pink, white, and red. Which one is your favorite? This butterfly is called a chestnut tiger. The roses are also blooming beautifully. But be careful, don't touch the thorns. I see orange marigolds. They look like little lions. What's this? It's cotton. I see fluffy white cotton after the flowers finish blooming. I found some empty cocoons. I wonder what was inside. The orange persimmons are ready to eat. They are very sweet and juicy. The rice is almost ready to harvest. The grains of rice are heavy, so they bend toward the ground. I'm looking forward to eating it. After harvesting the rice, I can see many bundles of straw. The rice field is empty. Some farmers burn the rice fields. The gray smoke rises into the sky. Let's enjoy a hot coffee or tea to stay warm. Thanks for watching. See ya.